Like the ritual of every new homeowner, we are also at IKEA, the holy grail of furnishings. Luckily, the IKEA that is closest to our place is also one of the biggest IKEA in the UK. So let's see. We are not here to shop a lot, but to find inspiration and to see what best we can find for our place.
Let's go get a card.
Let's go get our card if we have to. Well, let's see.
We went to IKEA, not to buy anything right away, but just to explore the beautifully curated setups and gather some inspiration and ideas for our new place.
Can I show you anything else, ma'am? From the top section?
How is this for all the cereals?
This looks nice, but it is gonna be very small.
Yeah, the capacity is too. It's 1.3 liter.
They made this amazing decor for each room. It looks appealing because there are spotlights all everywhere.
So I'm trying to take inspiration from their settings so we can decorate our place and maybe get things from here. For example, I like this chair here, but it might not suit in our living area.
There were a few things we had seen online that we wanted to check out in person, just to get a feel for the quality before committing to anything.
Oh, what do you think about these lights? This spot one. If we don't offer the lamp shades, we can offer these ones. So I hope these. Yep, you can move them.
Can we tilt it in the front edge?
No, I don't think so. But you can. I think this would help us save the counter space on the side table.
So we are not here for many things. We just wanted to have a look at the wardrobe. Sofa, bed we have already ordered for our main and suite room. We're just taking some inspiration how to style our home. And IKEA is always the best place. It's reasonable and they've got so many options.
Do you like it? Yeah. Yeah. Quite a lot of storage. How much is it for? It's for. I think it's reasonable. Quite reasonable actually. So initially I like this wardrobe as well because it's got a mirror, a full length mirror. Don't like the quality. Yeah, these ones still look better. This is light beige. I think these are better if you could get these in white.
We started exploring sections, then we moved to the next section, and then to the next, with so much still left to see.
I think we're going to need a bigger one because we do have a lot of calls and we can't keep them in luggages. IKEA says Kitchen Island. We just ordered one a week back from another website. But this is pretty nice as well.
But this is engineered wood.
Okay, this is engineered wood.
And this is a slightly smaller one.
I think it's the same height that we are going to get it. The one that we ordered. I really like it. It's not bad. How much is it for?
There are so many amazing accent chairs. We just have to choose one for our place. But we want to do it once we have our sofa, so that we can actually imagine how it will look. Orange one. We're looking for a brownish or sage green tone.
I don't know, but it gives vibe of more like a very casual feel. And our sofa that we ordered has a bit of cute and cozy vibe. It's comfortable, but I'm not sure. Okay, this is nice. It's nice, but it's too dark for our home. I mean, we have to go for a sage green.
Anything from this place?
Honestly, I didn't like it very much. It's fine, but I think that was better.
It's slightly
Thicker. It's not gonna fall better. I think the other one was nice.
Now go this lamp.
This one? No, it's too big.
We continued strolling through the aisles, checking out different items, feeling the materials, testing the quality, and imagining how things would look in our space.
We plan it's free. We deliver it's £40, and if they install it, it's 2,300 pounds. I'm just looking at the curtains.
I think curtain, I like that one better, which we saw at the second one.
Yeah. I think it's cute, but where will we keep it?
We can obviously find a spot. Do you think this will come handy?
We were looking at this for our entryway, but I didn't know it was plastic.
Yeah, it looks cheap. It's not well built.
Yeah,
It's
I mean,
25 pounds for two, but yeah, I think
I was seriously considering this for the entryway, but I don't think we can. It doesn't look nice. It was just looking nice in the pictures. Thank God we came here before ordering it.
it is so massive. They've got so many things. You just get confused choosing one. This is Nagu trying to find something. I think this fluted windows type thing looks nice. You don't have this big house, but it would have looked cool as well. Can we not get this customized? Basically this one.
And then join
This size.
just this one and then set up.
So this size is perfect, and we can do some sort of DIY. We can also add like these legs.
Yeah, if we don't want to mount these.
I don't think we don't want to mount it because it will be like this. I like these kind of kitchen. This open space one, and then. But I'm already feeling tired now. We haven't
Me
even
too.
been like halfway, and we're already tired. There's a bed over there. Let's just relax. It fits perfectly for you. It's the 6th zone and they've got 26. We have been walking for like an eternity and now just look good, but there's nothing in it.
We can always choose a better pillow and then put these Yeah. Oh.
We can take this for bar.
Yeah. And then I can keep it afterward. We can buy this for Kabir.
Does he like dinosaurs?
Yeah, he does. And we have.
Eventually, we started to feel tired and hungry, so we took a quick break at their restaurant.
We just took a break for some food. I'm already so tired. We've been through just 9 sections. This is the 9th section, which is the food court. We have took a break. We're gonna eat something and start moving ahead for the other sections. Nitesh has gone to get some vegetarian food. Let's see. I'm not sure what's available. Let's see what we're gonna get. Last time he got some grains and then something, and he did not like that. I'm not sure what we're gonna get now. But I'm a bit hungry. My legs are tiring now. It's a huge IKEA. I wasn't expecting that. I mean, the last time I visited, we visited with some of our friends and we could not go through each of the section, and I think we missed a lot of things last time. It doesn't look like there's much of a queue for the food. I think I should have gone with him, but I just stayed here to save the space. It looks like a fully packed food court. I can't see him though. Where is he? Okay, he's in the line. He's far ahead. Yes. Bringing the food. What do we have? Fries as usual.
Plant bowls with mashed potato, peas, and some sauce and cranberry. You wanna give it a go?
I tasted the fries, it's nice. It's not bad. Let's try that. Have it?
You try.
Oh, okay. Let's try the sauce first. Try.
What happened?
How is it?
Edible.
Let's just finish this and move on to our next section.
After grabbing a bite, we got back to it.
I don't know what to call it. It's for picking the chopped things. Or maybe it's for cakes. I don't know. These cushions are okay. The one, I think we need two for our sofa and then two smaller ones. And the quality is also fine.
This is how much?
It's 29, 1p.
Yeah, they've got few of them here. Probably this one, but this is the same one, I think.
It's too thick. It's not the one that we decided on. Will bug. Okay-ish.
Do you feel any fabric? Either of these fabric are good.
I can't find the one that. This one.
I like either one of these, which is on show. Does it anyway? This is the one we came here for. Vidka. So for 2 racks, we'll get this. One option. They do not have that in display, but there's another option for 2 racks.
Okay, this light. It's always there in IKEA, and it's more very robotic kind of. And then, yeah, open it. Yeah. Ooh, cool. It costs 60 pounds. I mean, all of them are very cute. Oh, look at this one. This looks very delicate though. It's very delicate.
Honestly, it's a lot to take in. I don't think you can see everything in just one visit. It definitely feels like a 2 to 3 day trip if you want to explore everything properly. We still continued checking out the pieces we were interested in. We were not planning to buy anything today, since that would mean carrying everything back with us on the tube, which we definitely didn't want to do. Instead, we were just shortlisting and finalizing things so we can place a big home delivery order all at once.
We are out of IKEA now. We spent like 4 hours inside and we looked at a lot of things in detail. We also selected few items that we like. We're going to place order online. I didn't want to carry things in my hand today. We're going to place an order online instead.
Now we are going for some nice place to eat.
Some things which I already had in mind didn't have the right quality, and some things which I did not assume would be nice were actually nice. So it was like a kind of a reality check. Not a reality check, but it was kind of...
It's a helpful visit.
It was a helpful visit.
After that long IKEA adventure, we wrapped up the day by treating ourselves to something delicious at Station 31, an absolutely amazing Indian restaurant. Just what we needed. That was our day. Hope you found a bit of inspiration for your own space too. Don't forget to subscribe to see what we finally ended up ordering and how it all comes together in our new place. Until then, cheers.